Hey everyone, UMIDIGI G9 Tab is a reasonably priced tablet with a clean, contemporary look and a range of features that make it ideal for daily usage. It appeals to both adults and kids because it comes in a variety of colors, such as blue, green, gray, and purple. The tablet feels sturdy and well-made despite having a plastic body, which is to be anticipated given its low cost. It is advised to use a protective case because the flat back panel may make it somewhat slick. The UMIDIGI G9 Tab weighs 522 grams, making it suitable for adults to carry in one hand, although it may feel a little weighty for kids. With its travel-friendly dimensions of 257 by 168 by 9 millimeters in thickness, it provides a sizable display. An 11-inch IPS LCD screen with 800 by 1280 pixel resolution is housed in the front panel. For everyday activities like browsing, reading, and watching movies, the screen quality is respectable, although users used to higher resolution screens can notice some blurriness. UMIDIGI Tiger T606 processor, 4 gigs of RAM, and a UMIDIGI G57MP 1 GPU power the tablet. For simple activities like social media, web browsing, and light gaming, this setup is adequate. However, resource-intensive games or demanding apps like video editing might not run smoothly. The gadget has 256 gigabytes of internal memory for storage, which can be increased with a micro SD card. Relatively quick read and write rates are guaranteed by UFS 2.1 storage standard, which improves overall performance. The UMIDIGI G9 Tab, which runs Android 14, has a recognizable and easy-to-use interface that is well-suited for a large-screen experience. Even for novice users, the operating system's responsiveness and fluidity make navigation simple. The tablet is compatible with GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, and Wi-Fi 5. Although contactless payments are not possible due to its absence of NFC, most tablet users do not find this to be an essential feature. Additionally, it still has a 3.5mm headphone connector, which is a practical feature for people who want wired headphones. Additionally, FM radio is a unique feature of contemporary tablets, making it a pleasant bonus for radio listeners. The 13 megapixels rear camera with LED flash included in the camera arrangement is adequate for simple shooting in well-lit environments. However, in low-light conditions, the quality drastically declines. The 8 megapixels front camera can be used for selfies and video calls, although it performs poorly in low light. The UMIDIGI G9 Tab's battery life is one of its best qualities. The tablet has a 7,200 mAh battery that may easily last up to 2 days with moderate use or a full day with heavy use. Faster recharge times are made possible by its compatibility for 18-watt fast charging. So, the UMIDIGI G9 Tab is a reasonably priced tablet that offers all the necessary features for occasional users. Its huge battery, contemporary look, and generous storage capacity are among its main advantages. However, for more demanding tasks, its performance is limited by its poor processor. The ideal users for this tablet are students, school children, or anyone else searching for a reasonably priced gadget for reading, learning, or watching videos. Despite its drawbacks, it is still a good choice for people looking for a low-cost tablet with minimal features. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.